Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Tutor Box. In today's class, we are going to discuss about motion of bacteria. Okay. So in earlier classes, we discussed various points of bacteria like classification, about the cell structure, and now we are going to discuss about the motion of bacteria. Okay. So starting the class, now first question raised in our mind, what are the things needed for motion? Okay, हमें मूवमेंट करने के लिए, बैक्टीरिया को मूवमेंट करने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ों की आवश्यकता होगी? ओके, सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स बैक्टीरिया नीडेड? ओके, as we know, we require like we have our legs. Okay, so similarly what kind of organ bacteria have? So two kind of thing bacteria needed. Okay, so first one is organ of motion. Okay, and the second one is energy. Second one is what? Energy. Okay, the first organ which bacteria has, organ of motion, like we have our legs, similarly bacteria has an organ of motion. I already discussed with you. So the organ of motion is what? Yes, you definitely think correct. That is what? Flagella. Okay, that is what? Flagella. Okay, and the second thing which we require, that is what? Energy. Without energy we can't do anything. Okay, बिना energy के हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. Both the things are with the bacteria. Okay, दोनों ही चीजें बैक्टीरिया के पास में है. Clear? So how bacteria do its motion? Okay, so now look at here. Bacteria has a flagella, but from where bacteria get its energy? Okay, bacteria अपनी energy कहाँ से लेगा? Clear? So just look at here. These are the ring. I discussed the structure with you about the bacteria flagella. Okay, in bacterial flagella we discuss about the rings. So these are what? Rings basically. These are what? Rings. Okay, in gram positive bacteria has a 2 ring, and in gram negative bacteria has a 4 ring. Okay, so what happened with the rings? These rings are moving in different direction. Okay, so they are getting the energy. So by the movement of the ring, by the rotation of the ring, bacteria get the energy. Bacterial flagella get the energy. Clear? So यहाँ हमारा प्रश्न सॉल्व हो गया कि बैक्टीरिया किस तरह से एनर्जी लेगा. ओके, सो बैक्टीरिया गेटिंग इट्स एनर्जी बाय द रोटेशन ऑफ द रिंग. ओके, so now just look the what are the movement options, how bacteria do its movement. Okay, so bacteria doing its movement by two methods. The first method is run, and the second method is tumble. Okay, clear? So first we are discussing the method run. Okay, so what happened with the run? Just look the structure. This is the structure of bacteria, and this is what? A flagella. Okay, now in run what happened? This bacterial flagella, these are the flagella, and these flagella come together. And making the bundle. So flagella, okay, come together, okay, and making the bundle. So flagellar bundle, they are making the flagellar bundle. Okay, clear everyone? So by making the bundle, so how they are making the bundle? Just look at here. These are the flagella. Okay, so what they will do? Suppose they are making in the bundle in one direction. Okay, clear? So this is what I am making the bundle. Okay, so this is the bundle structure. Okay, these are what? Bundle of flagella. Okay, so bacteria making bundle in this direction. So where their movement? So the movement in this direction, then the straight direction. Clear? So this is what bacteria moving in this direction. So I am giving you some example. मैं आपको यहाँ पर एक example दे रहा हूँ, उससे आपको और ज़्यादा clear हो जाएगा कि किस तरह से बैक्टीरिया के फ्लैजिला बंडल बनाएंगे और मूवमेंट किस तरह से होगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पर आप देखिए, ये आप कंसीडर करिए, consider this as a bacteria, this structure as a bacteria, and these are what? Flagella. Okay, so now what happened when these flagella, if a Lophotrichus bacteria, we found flagella on whole of the body. Okay, so just look at here. If the flagella making bundle in one direction, suppose all the flagella come together and they making the bundle in this direction. Okay, clear? So this is the bundle of flagella. Okay, now what happened after making the bundle in this direction? So bundle is forming in this direction, so movement in this direction. Okay, so bacteria is moving in this direction. Okay, now what happened in the opposite? इससे अपोजिट में क्या होगा आप देखिए, जो बैक्टीरिया के फ्लैजिला है, अगर बैक्टीरिया को इस डायरेक्शन में जाना है, सो इन दैट केस व्हाट हैपन, बैक्टीरिया फ्लैजिला आर मेकिंग बंडल इन दिस डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो दिस इज द व्हाट फ्लैजिला, दे आर मेकिंग व्हाट बंडल इन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड द मूवमेंट इन दिस डायरेक्शन, मूवमेंट इन दिस डायरेक्शन. ओके, क्लियर एवरीवन? होपफुली आप लोगों को इस एग्जांपल से समझ में आ गया होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज अ रन. So in run, what happened basically? Run basically is a fast movement. We can say run basically a fast movement for bacteria. It is a what? Fast movement. Okay. And the maximum time limit for the run is what? 1 second. Maximum time limit. Okay. Is 1 second. Okay. So in 1 second, bacteria can move up to 10 to 20 body length. Okay, 10 to 20 body length. Okay, clear everyone? So in 1 second, bacteria is moving 10 to 20 body length. मतलब कि बैक्टीरिया जो है 1 सेकेंड में अपनी जो बॉडी की लेंथ है उससे 10 से 20 गुना लेंथ तक मूव कर जा रहा है. ओके, सपोज इफ माई हाइट इज 5.6 फीट. ओके, सो अगर मेरी ये स्पीड हो तो मैं 1 सेकेंड में कितना मूव कर जाऊंगा? 30 फीट मूव कर जाऊंगा. ओके, सो इट इज अ व्हाट वी कैन से फ्लाइंग स्पीड. इसको हम क्या कह सकते हैं? फ्लाइंग स्पीड. ओके, क्लियर? सो बैक्टीरिया एक्चुअली हमें दिखता ही नहीं है. बैक्टीरिया इज, वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी बैक्टीरिया बाय द नेकेड आइज. ओके, सो if bacteria moving, suppose this is a bacteria, suppose this is what? A bacteria. Then if it move at this point, it is also considered as a 10 to 20 body length. Okay, हमारे लिए ये कुछ भी नहीं है. हमारे लिए हम तो ये कहेंगे कि ये तो बहुत कम चला है. ओके, बहुत कम मूवमेंट हुआ है. बट बैक्टीरिया के लिए तो ये क्या हो गया? 10 to 20 बॉडी लेंथ हो गया. ओके, दिस मच इज 10 to 20 बॉडी लेंथ. और ये तो मैंने आप लोगों के लिए डॉट बनाया जो कि हमें दिख रहा है. सच्चाई में तो बैक्टीरिया हमें दिखता ही नहीं है. ओके, क्लियर एवरीवन? सो दिस इज व्हाट, यहाँ पर एग्जामिनर क्वेश्चन पूछता है आप लोगों से. ओके, 1 सेकेंड इज द रन की जो है मैक्सिमम लिमिट है और उसमें कितना उसकी बॉडी लेंथ के 10 to 20 बॉडी लेंथ वो मूवमेंट कर देता है. क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ वी आर लुकिंग ऑन द टम्बल. नाउ वी आर लुकिंग ऑन द टम्बल. व्हाट इज टम्बल? ओके, सो व्हाट हैपन इन द टम्बल? जस्ट लुक एट हियर. Suppose this is the structure of bacteria, this is the structure of bacteria. Now these are the flagella. So flagella come apart. Okay, सारे flagella क्या हो जाएंगे? अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में चले जाएंगे. ओके, सो flagella अगर अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में चले जाएंगे, if flagella move in different direction, then what happen? Bacteria cannot run in forward direction. Okay, so bacteria only change its direction. Only changes direction. Okay, direction change. Clear everyone? In this case what happened? Suppose this is again I am considering a example. So just consider this example. All the flagella are in different direction. Then bacteria can only change its direction. Okay, so in tumble bacteria only change its direction. Remember this. And the maximum time limit for tumble is what? 0.1 second. 0.1 second. Remember this. Okay, clear everyone? So how bacteria will move? So bacteria chooses both the thing run and tumble. Bacteria chooses both the thing run and tumble. So suppose if this is the bacteria. Okay, suppose if this is the bacteria. Okay, so this is the bacteria. Okay, then what is its direction? Okay, so suppose this is its direction, then this is what? A run. Then again direction change, then it is this point, it has a tumble. Okay, and then again direction change, then again direction change, and then again front movement, then direction change, then movement, front movement. Okay, so this is the way bacteria can move. Okay, so where anywhere bacteria changes direction, at that point bacteria uses tumble, and if it is moving in any of the straight direction, okay, then it is using what? Run. Clear everyone? होपफुली आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा. यहाँ पर 2 पॉइंट पर एग्जामिनर क्वेश्चन पूछता है व्हाट इज रन एंड व्हाट इज टम्बल एंड व्हाट इज द लिमिट ऑफ मैक्सिमम लिमिट ऑफ रन एंड टम्बल MCQ में. ओके, नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग 2 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, कीमोटैक्सिस एंड फोटोटैक्सिस. कीमोटैक्सिस एंड फोटोटैक्सिस. ओके, now just look at the chemotaxis. What is chemotaxis? We can divide this word in the 2 part. Okay, so what are the 2 part? Chemo plus taxis. Chemo plus taxis. Chemo means chemical. Chemo means what? Chemical. Okay, and taxis means movement. Taxis means movement. Okay, so what is chemotaxis? If bacteria moving in the direction of a chemical, or we can say bacteria is moving in the direction of the order of the chemical or in the opposite direction of the order of the chemical. Okay, बैक्टीरिया किसी भी केमिकल की जो भी खुशबू या दुर्गंध है उसकी डायरेक्शन में मूव करता है और उसकी अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में मूव करता है, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? कीमोटैक्सिस. वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज अ कीमोटैक्सिस. ओके, सो कीमोटैक्सिस कैन बी ऑफ 2 टाइप. कीमोटैक्सिस कैन बी ऑफ 2 टाइप. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज पॉजिटिव कीमोटैक्सिस एंड सेकेंड वन इज नेगेटिव कीमोटैक्सिस. First one is positive chemotaxis and second one is negative chemotaxis. So what is positive chemotaxis? Suppose this is a attractant. This red color dot is a chemical and this is a attractant. Okay, attractant. Suppose here is the bacteria. Okay, this is what a bacteria we can say. So how bacteria do positive chemotaxis? So in positive chemotaxis, bacteria move in the direction of the attractant. Bacteria is attractant chemical को जो chemical की order है उसकी तरफ जाना चाहेगा क्योंकि ये उसको attract कर रहा है. Okay, so how bacteria will move? Suppose this is what run and then this is what tumble. This is at the direction change is tumble, then again run. So run, tumble, and then again run. Okay, so and then again tumble, run, tumble, tumble, run, run, tumble, and then in this direction. Okay, so this is the movement of the bacteria in case of positive chemotaxis. Okay, suppose, so I hope आप लोगों को यहाँ पर समझ में आ गया होगा. कुल मिला के बात यही है कि इसको आप ऐसा ही समझिए कि क्या हो गया कि कोई भी पॉजिटिव केमिकल है और उसको हम लेना चाह रहे हैं. बैक्टीरिया क्या करना चाह रहा है? उसको लेना चाह रहा है. अगर हमें कोई चीज़ लेनी है तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम उस चीज़ की तरफ बढ़ेंगे. ओके, सिमिलरली बैक्टीरिया को अगर ये केमिकल लेना है तो ये बैक्टीरिया इस केमिकल की तरफ बढ़ेगा. और नेगेटिव कीमोटैक्सिस इज व्हाट? सपोज जस्ट लुक एट हियर, इफ दिस इज व्हाट अ रिपेलेंट, दिस इज व्हाट अ रिपेलेंट. ओके, रिपेलेंट. क्लियर? सो व्हाट हैपेंड विद द बैक्टीरिया? नाउ दिस इज व्हाट अ बैक्टीरिया. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट अ बैक्टीरिया. Okay, so how bacteria will move? So bacteria will move in this direction earlier and then this one, this one, this one, this one, and run tumble and run tumble. Okay, so this is the way of bacteria. So first run, more and few tumble, more run and few tumble in the opposite direction. Okay, सो बैक्टीरिया रिपेलेंट की डायरेक्शन में नहीं जाएगा, उससे अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जाएगा और रन ज़्यादा करेगा और टम्बल कम करेगा. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो दिस इज व्हाट अ पॉजिटिव कीमोटैक्सिस एंड दिस इज व्हाट अ नेगेटिव कीमोटैक्सिस. ओके एवरीवन? सो यहाँ पर आप ध्यान दीजिए, कीमोटैक्सिस पर क्वेश्चन आया था GPAT 2006. GPAT 2006, earlier it was a GATE, so it was a question of GATE 2006. Okay, what is chemotaxis? Clear? So यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन आया था, आप यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए, इस पर क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. Now moving on the phototaxis. So just again similar, same funda. What happened here? We can divide phototaxis into 2 parts. Photo means light. Okay, photo means light and taxis means again what? Movement. So again in the movement in the direction of the light. Okay, so here again we can divide bacteria in 2 parts, positive chemotaxis and negative chemotaxis. Positive and negative. Okay, so it is also a similar. So just look at here, what is positive phototaxis? It is, suppose just look at here, this is what a light source. Okay, So bacteria move in this direction. So here we have a bacteria. Okay, here we have a what? Bacteria. So now bacteria is moving in this direction. Okay, run, tumble, and run, tumble in the direction. Such kind of movement is known as a positive phototaxic. Positive phototaxic. Okay, suppose what is negative phototaxis? So if the bacteria moving up in the opposite direction of the light, there are some bacteria which do not like the light. Okay, so in that case, suppose these are the what? Light source. Here I am making what? A light source. Okay, so this is, suppose it is a what? Sunlight. Okay, clear. And this one is the bacteria. Okay, so I am making the bacteria here. Okay, so this is what? A bacteria. Okay, so now if this bacteria is doing negative phototaxis, then what is its movement? This is what? A movement of bacteria. Okay, so this is the movement of bacteria, run tumble in opposite direction of the light. Okay everyone, so there are some bacteria. What kind of bacteria doing positive phototaxis? They are photosynthetic aquatic bacteria. Photosynthetic aquatic bacteria. So how they move into the direction of the light? In their cell they found some oil granules. They having some oil granules. Okay, so due to these oil granules or vacuoles, clear, they reaching in the direction of the light. They reaching in the direction of the light on the surface of the water. Okay, and in the water, if they reaching on the surface of the water, then they get the light. Clear everyone? So I hope by this way you are able to understand about the movement of the bacteria and two type of movement, run and tumble. Then you are able to understand about the chemotaxis and then phototaxic. Clear everyone? So here I discussed some question with you guys. So give the answer of these questions.
Hello everyone, discussing the question number 1. Bacteria do motion by A, run, B, tumble, C, both of these, and D, none of these. Question number 2. Maximum speed of bacteria motion is A, 20 body length per second, B, 200 body length per second, C, 2000 body length per second, D, 20,000 body length per second. Question number 3. What is chemotaxis? A, movement of organisms dependent on chemical order, B, movement of organisms dependent on light, C, movement of organisms dependent on sound, D, movement of organisms dependent on water. Question number 4. What is phototaxis? A, movement of organisms dependent on chemical order, B, movement of organisms dependent on light, C, movement of organisms dependent on sound, D, movement of organisms dependent on water. Question number 5. Which statement is true about motion of bacteria? A, maximum time of run is 0.1 second, B, maximum time of tumble is 1 second, C, both are correct, D, none are correct. So I already discussed answer of all of these questions in my lecture. If you have any doubt in the question, then go through with the lecture and answer in comment box.
And like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel.